Hello, hi, it's me again. The how to draw a dragon channel with me. How to draw a dragon channel. Okay, with this, as I said from my video before, this channel is only teach about how to draw a dragon, a face dragon, its tail, its horn, its body, and etc. Today, I want to teach you how to draw a very cute dragon. Okay, even kids can do it. It's about take your time about 4 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes. Okay. Firstly, I want you to ask you to subscribe to my channel. Okay, subscribe to our channel. Okay, here we go. Firstly, for this cute dragon, let's draw his face, a round face. Yes, a round face, like a biscuit, like this, like a paw. If you, and then yes, like a paw king face, and then its eyes is a dark circle eyes. Okay, and here the color it is a dark. Okay, and put some eyelash like this, and this. Okay, makes more cute, and it's smile mouth. Okay, do like this. Okay, how about his body? His body is like a small paw also. Yes, like this. Okay, and the small, do its leg first. Very small, just like this. Yes, and here too. His leg and its hand, small cute hand, a little V. Okay, a little V, and its tail, small tail. Also do here. Okay, and put this one also. Okay, that's it. A small cute dragon. Small cute dragon. Yeah, that's all. Subscribe to my channel for more video about how to draw a dragon. Okay, that's 5 minutes drawing. Thank you. You can color it with a green color. Thank you. See you soon in another video. Bye.